we are going to learn report writing and questionnaire, right? First of all, deal with the report writing. Report writing is about a description of event or situation, and it is written to someone who was not present there. So that person get information through you and through your report, right? There are few points while writing report we have to keep in our mind, right? Report writing is a formal statement of the facts, right? Second, it is conventional, means traditional in a form. You have to write in a traditional way, and it is a formal statement of the facts. And third is that it meet it meets the needs of specific audience. It is not for everybody, but it is for the specific audience who are interested in your report. For example, you are a school teacher and you write a report. So those school teacher and students, they will only read that report, not outsider, right? Next is that it includes analysis and interpretation of the data which was collected by you and written in a form of a report. And next point is that it includes suggestion and recommendation if required, what to do next time, what to remember, what correction would be done. And the final is that it contains conclusion, right? So dear friend, we are going to two types of report writing going to learn. One is that business report and second is that media report. It requires a lot of practice. Writing is not easy task, it's a painstaking task. So for that, you have to run after each and every point and details for which you are writing, right? So now let us come to the next point, questionnaire. Questionnaire, right? Questionnaire is that series of questions for purpose of collecting information from respondent. Means that you are going to ask series of questions to the person and collect the information for specific purpose, right? And this method was invented by Statistical Society of London in a past year, many years ago. And nowadays, we have seen that around our area or in our city, in our society, there are doctors, teachers, they are taking round and collecting the data, information in a form of questionnaire. You might have seen that some people came at your home and asking how many people in your home, what is the age of your family member, who has a TB or diabetes, who has this problem. So they collect that data on that base, on that survey questionnaire. They come to the conclusion that we have to solve this problem like this. So this COVID-19, many officers in government, they are doing this kind of survey, this questionnaire, and collect the information from the society, from the family, right? And they realize that where the problem is, that how many people are having diabetes, how many people are having the cold problem, how many people are having fever, how many people are having TB, etc, etc, chest problem. On that base, on that data, on that survey, on that questionnaire, they realize that where to go and whom to they have help. So this questionnaire, even simple way I can say that if you want to know somebody's information, you start asking him from his name, his age, his qualification, his hobbies, his residence. You realize that what type of the person he is, where he is working, where he is living, what type of likes and dislike he has. So these questionnaires in day-to-day life we are following on social media, even on offline, inline, online, right? Even new friend comes in your contact, you ask about his detail, his family detail, and these details are nothing but in a form of questionnaire. And this questionnaire can help you to understand that person or that thing in a better way, right? So now we are going to learn in detail questionnaire, and we are going also see some example. Today we have seen that teachers information, teacher's data, right? At first his personality, then teaching skill, and then overall his analysis, right? So these are the basic thing I want to inform you, to say you that you understand at first, and then we will go ahead in a detail, right? Once again I say that it is a common, we are living in middle of the this questionnaire and report writing, but we don't know, right? But understand it. Once you understand and concept is clear, definitely you will get to know how to get marks, and you will get full marks in this category, right? Thank you.